love.
Hey beauties, it's Kayla. Welcome or welcome back. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Okay, so today's video is going to be about Swann Mélange hair growth oil. A very beautiful subscriber of mine purchased, well, actually has been a repeat customer of purchasing my hair growth oil, and she actually did a video on her channel, so go check her out. Link in the description and in the comment section. She is phenomenal. She's awesome. She's been using my product for quite some time now. I want to say a few months, maybe 4 or 5 months or so, and she loves the oil. I'm gonna let you hear from her mouth. So yeah, I want to start talking more about my oil, about the ingredients that's in it and how it's helping so many. I've also been posting testimonials on my community posts as well, so go check those out. Make sure you like those posts. And basically I also came up with an ebook explaining how I was able to grow my hair to waist length. So I have that in my ebook as well. Be sure to check that out. I currently have a bundle. If you purchase my hair growth oil and the ebook, you get a discount. So my hair growth oil by itself is $19.99 plus tax. If you purchase my ebook with the hair growth oil, you can just $25.98. And if you purchase it today, I think I'm running it, I extended it a little bit to Monday. If you purchase it between Sunday and Monday, it's free on shipping. So you'll be walking out the door with the hair growth oil and the ebook for less than $26. So go check those out. The ebook by itself is $9.99. So if you want to just purchase the ebook, that's fine. Just know that members, if you're a channel member, you do get 30% off. So be sure you know your code. So use that code at the checkout. Anywho, back to the video. So Nurse Jenny, she did a video, and what I'm gonna do is react the video. In this entire video, she actually is applying hair growth oil. She's moisturizing her hair. She's applying another product along with that, and she's twisting her hair. And she's talking about the hair growth oil. And she talks about other things in the video, but I'm just snipping just the part where she really hones in and talk about the hair growth oil itself. But the entire video is mainly about her applying her hair growth oil and her talking about it. So I don't want any copyright issues with YouTube, so I'm not gonna screen the whole entire video. I just took a little snippet of what she was talking about on the hair growth oil. So hope y'all enjoy as I react to the video. Okay, it definitely is. Sorry, I did this one already. My godmother, she was like, your hair is growing. I was like, is it? You think so? So I know in my other video I had did talking about my Swann growth oil, if it contributed to growing my hair. And I was like, I don't really know, but it definitely has contributed to making my hair more manageable, softer. My scalp loves it. I mean, I didn't have an itchy scalp prior to this wearing my hair, but I definitely, my scalp always looks good and healthy. It's never flakes or anything like that, and it never, ever itches. You never see me scratching my head. It just never, ever itches. So I guess, she was like, your hair is growing, and I'm like, okay. And it actually, now that I'm taking it down and retwisting it up, it does feel like it has definitely growing out. So this is my third bottle. This is like my third bottle, right? Like I said, I'll just put little drops out throughout my scalp, and I do love it. So I will keep using it. Like I say, I love it because the ingredients are all natural. I love using things like that's even better to me than this little moisturizer. Okay, so y'all, I love her. So y'all, I love me some Nurse Jenny, aka Janessa. I love her. Go check her out. J Essential Health and Beauty. I'm going to link or put it here somewhere on the screen. J Essential Health Beauty by $4.91. Go check her out. She gives a lot of good information, great healthy recipes, and jewels, some wisdom jewels. I just love listening to her speak. Her voice is like velvet to me. I just love to hear her talk. But go ahead and check her out. So blessings to you, Nurse Jenny. I appreciate you. Thank you for taking the time to making the video and tagging me in it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. But I recommend, if you purchase the oil, to make sure that you're taking pictures. You do your before pictures and then you do your during and after pictures. So you take your initial shots with your hair stretched. So you can have a picture but you holding your hair like this. You know, that's your initial shot, and then you just keep that same, if possible, that same section, and kind of use the same section to kind of help you track and gauge your growth, so that in a month's time you use this same section and kind of take that picture and you'll see if there is a significant difference. The other option to tracking your hair growth is also measuring your hair using a tape measure. Okay, so using my handy dandy tape measures here to help track your growth progress as well. But if you're like just looking at your hair and you're not really tracking it, it may not seem to be growing or getting longer because there's no definite way of tracking. But other people that haven't seen you in a while, or maybe do see you in a while and notice a change in your hair, and they're like, whoa, wait, your hair is growing. It's like, oh, really, is it? So to me, to be honest with you, that's the only sustainable way for me to track my hair. I can't just looking at it, I don't see a difference, but I have to use either a tape measure or taking pictures to kind of help me see where that growth is. Or a lot of times when we're nourishing our scalp, growth may not be what it needs initially. It may need to just take in the nutrients and sustain the health of the hair, and then it produce more hair or growth or whatever you need. So initially it may not need the growth, it may need to just take in those nutrients at first. So I always say it's not a race, it's a marathon. It's a journey. It's a journey. So don't be disappointed if you don't see, well, I got an inch, I got 2 inches, you know what I'm saying? Just let it be, let your hair continue to get all the nourishment that it can get through what you're putting, the products that you're using in your hair. Also, I want to say scalp massaging. Scalp massaging is bomb. If y'all haven't seen it already, go check it out right now. I have a playlist, a scalp massaging playlist. If you're not a member, go ahead and join, y'all. I want y'all to have long, thick hair. Whatever your hair needs to do. If you just want, you may not want length. Everybody don't want long hair, and I understand that. You may want to maintain healthy hair, and that's good. So these things will help your hair to be healthy. When you massage your scalp, you have a daily regimen of massaging your scalp. If you're nourishing your scalp with essential oils, and you're taking in vitamins as well as eating nutritious foods to help maintain healthy hair growth or healthy hair just in general, that adds up. So it's not just one particular thing. It's not just getting this hair growth oil. It's a multitude of different things together that helps your hair grow. Your hair is going to grow either way. It's just maintaining it and also retaining the length that it does grow. Check out that scalp massage video. I go in depth for 7 days with my members on what I do every night. Ask my members, any members that are watching this, y'all make sure y'all represent down there in the comments and give a testimonial on how it's helped you, because I did not play. I went in depth. Like we went all the way in. I gave some tips and tricks for real. So if you haven't already, go ahead and join the channel so you can watch that playlist on the scalp massage routine that I do. Make sure you're drinking plenty of water, keeping your body hydrated, as well as eating nutritious foods. I'm thick. I'm a thickums, so I can eat. But I also make sure I get my vegetables and my fruits. I get my nutrients. I take my vitamins. You know what I'm saying? I'm not up here standing like I'm the healthiest person in the world. But I do make sure I eat for my health and I eat for my hair as well. So it's another secret that I have that I'm going to release to my members before I release to the main channel. But I promised them that I was going to give them tips on what I do as far as nutrition wise, the foods that I eat to help with my hair, the health of my hair and the growth, maintaining hair growth. So I got to release it to them first, because I promised them. Then after that, I'm going to release it to you guys so that you won't miss it. Go ahead and just join, y'all. Join if you can. And I do understand there are some subscribers that are in Jamaica and certain areas where they don't let you join. I am just so heartbroken over that. I'm so sorry, because I've had Melody is one of them, a subscriber in Jamaica that wants to join, but they can't, and it just breaks my heart. I'm sorry. Anyway, if you're like in that particular area where you can't join, I understand, so you're forgiven. But everybody else that are able to have different tiers, starting at $3.99 a month, and it goes up. If you haven't already, go ahead and join. It would be wonderful. It's so much awesome content already on there that I provide for my members, so don't miss out on it. Go join and check that content out. So also, I have an ebook out that talks about what I do to help my hair grow. Also check that out. If you have purchased if you're a member, of course you get 30% off, but I'm going to work it out to where, well, there is a discount already. There's a bundle. There is a discount code. I have to figure it out. I'll link it on the ebook. If you really want to have the ebook, I'll throw in a discount if you just want the ebook by itself. But to me, it's a guide, and it will help, especially those that have purchased my hair removal and they were using my hair removal. If you want the full review on everything, you know, it's not just applying the hair removal, but there's like different other things that you can do that don't cost a whole lot of money. It's free. It's nothing out of the ordinary. You'll see when you get that ebook, you're gonna be like, what? I could have been doing this. What? Check that ebook out, y'all. Check it out. I'm gonna get around to actually filming a video of how I make my hair growth oil, giving out the deets on the ingredients, etc., etc. But this hair growth oil has helped my hair grow as well as others. And if you want to try it out, feel free to use the discount code in the description below or get the bundle. But I'll always have my website linked in the description and also in the comment section. Also, if you're considering joining this channel, the link is in the description and also in the comment section as well. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much once again, J Essentials. You guys go check her out. Go watch her content, subscribe, like. She is a repeat customer, and I appreciate all of my clients, everyone that watches my videos and have actually subscribed to this channel. I appreciate you wholeheartedly. Thank you so much for everything you do. And y'all are coming through with the hyping. Thank you for hyping my videos, guys. I appreciate you so much. Thank you for giving me that hype. You don't have to do it, but you do it. And I'm so thankful and grateful, because everything that you do here helps my channel. So I appreciate you guys more than you know. I'm gonna close with this. If you're on a healthy hair journey or a hair growth journey, the main thing is consistency. Consistency is key. Don't give up. Change your mindset. If you have a negative mindset, you have to work through that, right? And change your mindset. You want to think positive towards your hair, no matter how it looks. My hair has been down and looked crazy. Like, who did it and how come? And members, you guys have already seen that video where I break down how my hair was and where it came from to now. I've been there, done that, you know, and it all starts here. Okay, you gotta watch your thoughts. Your thoughts are currency. You gotta watch what you say, because you can speak worlds into existence. So be careful with what you say and think. Also, consistency is key. Therefore, don't give up after a week, 2 weeks, 2 months, 3 months, 8 months, a year. It took years for my hair to get the way it is. It took years of consistency, right? It took 4 years before I really just was like, yeah, we back. It took 4 years, okay? So don't give up. If what you're doing, you feel like, oh, what's the point? No, don't ever let it get to that. You just keep doing what you're doing. Keep having a good positive outlook, okay? And keeping up with your body, keeping yourself hydrated. Do your scalp massages daily. And I'm not talking about I'm talking about, go watch my video and you'll see the kind of scalp massages I do. And come back and see me in a month. Come back and see me in a month. And after using this, or you can use any type of light oil, and you put your stimulating products that helps the ingredients. Rosemary oil is good. Rosemary is good for that. Okay, so massaging your scalp, increasing your water intake. Okay, keeping your body hydrated, increasing your nutrition, throwing in salads every day. Bop, bop, bop. Okay, taking your vitamins. Stay away from stress. Stress is the #1 hair eliminator. You stressing out, your hair is like, let me take a back seat. Let me rest so she can get herself together. And then when she get herself together, then maybe I'll start growing. Stress is the #1 cause of hair loss, guys. Beauties. Stress is the #1 cause of hair loss. So as much as possible, wherever you can, relax, release, relate, or however it goes. Breathe. Deep breathing exercises. Try not to stress. Let go and let God. Anyway, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Join the membership today, don't hesitate. Exclusive perks are worth the wait.